Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to tag everyone in Telegram group chat. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to go to the Telegram website or download the Telegram app if you haven't already and create an account. So first of all, just open up App Store and search for Telegram. If you're on a computer or laptop device, you have to go to the Telegram website and download the application. However, if you're on an Android phone, the steps are going to be similar. Just download the Telegram Messenger like this, and then you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you have to open the Telegram app or the Telegram website and access the group chat. Tap on the group name at the top of the chat screen to enter the group settings. Use the tagging feature. In the message input field, type @ followed by, you have to type the @ symbol followed by the group name, or simply @all or @everyone. It depends on the group settings to notify all the members of the group. And after putting that, you just have to write your message, and this is how you do it. Then just send your message and it will notify everyone of your message. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.